Our goal is to compute f of 3. Given the rule f of x plus y equals f of x times f of y, and the value f of 1 equals 3, we will display the rule. And the given value, think repeated addition. Adding 1's turns into multiplying by f of 1. Step 1. Compute f of 2 by adding 1 and 1. First, write f of 2 equals f of 1 plus 1, which equals f of 1 times f of 1. Substitute the value 3 for f of 1. Therefore, f of 2 equals 9. Step 2. Compute f of 3 by adding 2 and 1. Write f of 3 equals f of 2 plus 1, which equals f of 2 times f of 1. Substitute f of 2 equals 9 and f of 1 equals 3. We get f of 3 equals 27. Conclusion: the value of f of 3 is 27.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple, one video at a time, only on Myverse Maths.